All right, y'all. So this is what I'm wearing today. I gotta hurry up because I'm running late and I got like 5 minutes to be downstairs. So I just got this white crop top on from Rainbow Shops. This New York hat from Shein. These linen pants, black linen pants from Amazon, and then my panda dunks. Today we are going to the monkey forest. So I ain't really excited about this, but we gonna go. We are at the monkey forest. I'm honestly scared. You're talking about if a monkey jumps on you, just keep walking and it'll jump off of you. That's the main reason I don't even want to go up in here. But I guess
We call it long-tail macaque.
for the experience I share.
Long-tail macaque. They also known by crab-eating macaque because they found a lot at mangrove forest. This type of monkeys, we only have one in Bali. Yeah, they used to hunt the crab, and this type they really good to what we call that to adjust with surrounding with the new environment because they can hunt something else if there is lack fruits. Yeah, but still 80% of their diets are fruits.
He said they be turning, they may be taking pictures of it. He sure did turn his behind around too. Look at it.
Oh, he said that he'll do that. Okay, wait. I thought he said he was taking a pic. Oh, down here.
He gotta eat.
What was that? That was one of. Oh, here a lot of them forgot we ain't supposed to look them in the face. See, I don't need to be up in here.
We don't put any fancy.
He trying to stay right home. I'm at it. I won't pay the attention to the car from down by them. You ain't looking at the monkey.
I don't need them getting aggressive with me. Where's D? Oh, shit. Oh, my God. I'm terrified.
He is looking. He wants something else.
See, they seem aggressive. Yeah, I ain't got time for this.
Get off my oh boy. Uh-oh, he gonna mess. Look at those teeth. This might kill. This might kill. I'm using it. Stressing.
Joe Maya.
Oh my God, girl. All day, I'm like, who's this girl from the And it's your mind. I'm so sorry.
No, you're fine. I think he did. I got a wet wipe she can wipe off her dress with.
You know, somebody else probably was taking pictures of you and it's going to put in their little picture.
This type of monkey, they don't have any mating season. Just pretty similar to human. Do whenever they want.
They get
But
that
when
freak
they
on
do it,
whenever.
less than 10 seconds.
Wow. Yeah. It's a lot of babies.
He said how many?
Less than 10 seconds, they done.
Some of the monkeys here already dissected by the staff.
Uh-huh.
Otherwise, they get big population.
Oh.
There are so many.
We done missed the best part of the song now. Oh, this is really pretty. I mean, something we could probably thank ourselves, but it's still pretty. Dream pictures. They literally like handcraft all these and carve these things out. They have like gigantic ones. I wonder if they have any here that I could show. But we have driven past a few places that have them like all outside. Oh, look at that one. Hello. Hello. It's a hell no for me.
Bali?
Okay, now I don't know where I'm going down into, and I don't know if I'm supposed to even be going over here. So maybe I need to turn around before I be kidnapped or something. Why the heck ain't nobody stop me? Okay, we are here to eat lunch after we left the market. Yes. We are starving, or at least I am for sure. And so after we leave here, we were supposed to be going to the Bali swing, but I don't know if that's gonna happen now. Look at this pretty, it overlooks Rice Terrace. Rice Terrace.
I ain't been talking to y'all this whole time. I just been recording. I ain't said 2 words. I just been recording y'all. But that's because I look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Okay, we got a nice little setup. I need to go and wash my hands. Is it good? What you got? Pineapple. Mm-hmm. It is good. It is good. Yours is mango. Oh, okay.
I think they literally made it back there.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks fresh.
Yeah, it's not cool.
That Chelsea, she got chicken fingers.
I don't think so.
Or the chicken basket. I'll probably make the right choice because I just really want to eat some food that is good. It's good.
We got nothing down here.
You chose to go late.
I need to get me more of that stuff. Oh, we got cool.
Can you pass me one of those napkins?
Yeah.
Thank you.
enjoy that soup. Yeah, so we'll bring everything out of Did you get the set and everything? You say no. Hi. From the U.S. Oh, you were? Yeah. Where are you from?
Japan.
Oh, Japan. Nice. Very nice to meet you.
Hi.
My husband going to Japan in December.
I'm going in April of next year for my son's 16th birthday. That's where he wants to go. I can't wait.
My little niece is a dancer, and she danced with Sean Paul, and he toured. And she was like, "You can eat off of the floor, like off
Yeah,
of the
that's
street.
what
It's
everybody
so
says. It's so clean. Like they don't
Japan.
even have trash cans out on the street.
Yeah, so clean.
You have to carry your trash with you. I love that.
Hey, baby. Hey, Dad. Listen, I was like, what is that? Yeah.
Chicago is clean.
I love Chicago.
Chicago is so
I've
clean.
always wanted to go.
Yes, Chicago. I've never been to New York, but it gives me like if you was in New York, that's how Chicago, especially
That's what a lot
downtown,
of people
feels.
say. I've never been, but my husband's from New York, so I've been there a bunch. But I've never been to Chicago, but everybody says the same thing.
Yeah.
It reminds you of New York.
It does feel like that, but nicer,
Really?
cleaner,
Yeah.
Wow. I heard the food is like,
and I felt safer too.
yeah, New York is a. Yeah.
You didn't like it? I'm just scared of the rats. Did y'all see rats? Yeah.
It's like you have to put on a certain armor to be in New York, like a mental armor, a physical armor, the whole situation. Yeah.
It was nice to be there, but like, I had one sandals and I'm looking like, oh yeah.
See,
You wear sandals? Yeah, you go black.
Oh, heck no.
I went to New Year's Eve.
See, that's where I want to go. I'm so
Traditional smoked duck.
here. No duck. Duck. Oh no, I had chicken. Traditional smoked chicken. Sorry. We over here eating some duck. Oh, you are supposed to have a soup.
They didn't.
Okay, so Vondra, give Vondra. It's good so far. Everything is good. Okay. I've been waiting for something.
Oh, fancy. What is that? Sauté? Thank you.
Leave it out here again. I can even just chill out here. Look at it. If they're calling the door. So, I'm gonna give you a rundown of what all occurred today. So we did the monkey forest today, which is what I told y'all earlier. Hopefully y'all can hear me behind all the nature sounds. But it's what I told y'all earlier when I had got dressed. And that was cool. The monkeys did, like, when we first got in there, they was a little bit aggressive. And I was like, see, this one, I don't even want to be here. They had some, hit one girl's phone out of her hand, and then they was trying to take the other girl's phone, another girl's phone too. But you can have your phones and stuff out, but I don't know. I guess they pick and choose what they want to mess with and what they don't. So that happened, and then we walked through, as y'all will see, and then we went to, where did we go? Oh, to eat, wait, no, we went to the market, which I could see. The market wasn't really nothing spectacular. It didn't really have like a whole bunch of stuff. They had a lot of fake stuff, like fake Coach, Prada, different stuff like that, but nothing what I was really interested in. I got my sisters and my mama some refrigerator magnets. I was gonna give my daughter some bracelets, but they was trying to charge too much for them bracelets. It was like some Hello Kitty ones, and I can make that myself for $1. But nonetheless, we left there. We went to the place for lunch, and then we were supposed to be going to the Bali swing, but we wasn't gonna make it in time. We was gonna go from the restaurant straight there, but some of the ladies wanted to like shower and freshen up, put on makeup or whatever, and so we wasn't able to by the time we left here, because traffic in Bali is horrible, and so by the time we left here, we just wasn't gonna be able to make it. We did try, but we ended up having to just turn around, because I guess you gotta be there by like 5 o'clock in order to, before the sun and stuff starts going down, and you can get in line and, you know, have already got your dress changed into it and all that. So we did try. Our tour guide kept on saying like, I'm sorry, and we're like, you tried, it is okay, it's not that big of a deal. So he said tomorrow after lunch that we could go to the rice tier swing, and that they have dresses and stuff there as well. So hopefully it's still just as nice. I don't know if they'll have as many options, but something better than nothing. So tonight we'll probably go out again. We went and got hookah last night, so tonight I don't know if we're gonna go get hookah or go to an actual club, or what we're gonna do. Everybody wanted to rest up some and then recoup, you know, and then get together and figure out what it is that we're gonna do, which is fine. I need to do some editing, upload a video. I need to edit another video. Just took some pictures and go through my pictures and see what all I got, and just chill out until then, get in the shower, figure out what I'm gonna put on, and just go from there. It's been cool so far. It's been a little tired because, you know, of the time difference. Like here, whatever time it is, so like right now it is, what time is it? I guess, because my computer time is still the time that it is at home. So right now it is 4:52 a.m. at home. It's 5:52 p.m. here. So it's like just day and night switch, and then the hour is an hour ahead here than it is at home. So like about 8 o'clock and stuff, I start getting real tired, even though that's like the time at home, which is like 7 or so, that I would already be up. But I don't know. I feel like I've been doing all right. I had to get some coffee, one of those like Starbucks double shot caramel latte type of coffee things today at the gas station, because I was tired. But we had fun last night. Prayerfully we'll have fun again tonight, because we really need to utilize our time. We're gonna go get tattoos and stuff as well when we switch to our next hotel. We go to our next hotel on Saturday. So there's 2 different dudes that we have found to do the tattoos, but it's like 2 hours away. If we go from this hotel we're in now, it's only like an hour away if we go from the one that we go to on Saturday. So that's what we're gonna do. But all in all, it's been going good. I'm enjoying my time. So let me edit, and I will talk to y'all later. What kind of bird is this?